Tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can already see from the title of the video, we are about to unbox some Rick Owens Dark Knight sneakers. I'm so freaking excited, y'all. I ordered me these Rickies. I've been wanting me some Rickies, baby. I got me some Rickies, so I decided to come on here and to do an unboxing. So if you are looking to get you some Rick Owens sneakers, this video is going to be for you. I'm going to tell you the size that I got. I'm going to tell you where I got them. I'm going to tell you how much I paid for them. I'm going to tell you just everything you need to know, and make sure you keep watching until the end of the video because I'm going to actually put these sneakers on my feet so y'all can get a gist of how they look and how they feel and all of that. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So here's my shoes, y'all. Right here in this box. I have not opened them up yet or anything. The way I like to do unboxings on my channel is to open everything up from like start to finish with y'all. So this is the big old box that they came in. The box is literally bigger than my head. Got me a butter knife. And we're just gonna open these up because I'm so freaking excited. So here they go. Dark Shadow. This is what the front of the box looks like. It just says Dark Shadow, and then on the side, as you can see, I don't know if y'all can see that, it just has like your size, where you ordered them from, stuff like that. So I'm freaking excited to see these, and this is my first time seeing them with y'all, so let's see what it's giving. And I've been eyeing these Rick Owens for like a very, very long time, and my birthday was in January, and like I tried to order them then, but they're always out of stock. Rick Owens are always out of stock, and I'm like, you know what, I need to be getting these when they're available. Ooh, oh, I didn't know they were gonna be like this. I thought they were gonna be cotton, but whatever. So I got the shoe. Look at my Rickies. They're so freaking cute. They had like different ones on the site, but I decided to go with this pair because it has like, I don't know if this says like Dark Shadow or like what that says. I don't know if y'all can even see it, but it says something on the back. So I thought this was really, really cute. I almost got the ones that had the pockets on the side, but I was like, nah, let me just keep it, you know, simple and classic. So I have both sneakers in the box. I also got this Dark Shadow. The light is so bright. Let me turn this light down. Okay, I also got this Dark Shadow card that came with it, envelope, and what's in the inside? Nothing. It just tells you about the product and how to clean it and how to store them and stuff like that to keep them in shape. So I'll be keeping that so I can read that later. Ooh. Then it also came with this, which I already knew it was going to come with this because I've been watching other people's videos on YouTube before I bought mine, and it came with the same thing. But you get a bag that says Dark Shadow on the front, and it's just really cute. I don't know if you can like wear this like with the shoes as an outfit, or if this is just going to be like a spend a night tote or something. I don't know, but it's super cute. I might find something to do with it, honestly. And then I think that's it. Yep. And then I just got the other sneaker right here. So let me put them together so y'all can see what it's giving. They're so cute. They're so freaking cute. And I was scared that they were gonna look kind of like clown shoes, because you know, like when you look at them online, sometimes it kind of shows them like curving up, but these look so freaking cute, and they're heavy. Like I didn't expect them to be this heavy. So anyway, let me stop rambling. Let me tell y'all about where I bought these. So these are the Rick Owens Dark Shadow. I'm gonna get the, I think they're called Ramone. I'm gonna get the exact name and place it on the screen. But I purchased these from essence.com. This is not a sponsored video, none of that stuff. I just like purchasing a lot of my designer items and stuff from Essence just because their shipping is really fast. Typically when I order designer stuff, it come like like in 2 days or whatever. But these came, y'all, in literally not even 24 hours. Like I ordered these Tuesday morning, like 10:30 a.m. and then they was here Wednesday. No, I ordered them Wednesday like 10:30 a.m. and it was here Thursday like 9 a.m. I'm like, damn, I just ordered them. So it's like Ricky knew I wanted these shoes. Like Ricky was around the corner or whatever. But they're so freaking cute. Okay, so I got my receipt pulled up right here on my phone, and I paid $730 for these, and I got them in a size 37, and I'm a size 37, and like Italian or European sizes equates to like a 7 in women or like a 5.5 men. So I got them in a 37, and then taxes were $51, so it was a total of $781.10. Even though these shoes retailed for $730, I actually was able to get them a little bit cheaper. I got 10% off of these because, like, before I order from anywhere, I will always go to Google and type in like Essence coupon code, or if it's Fashion Nova coupon code, or if it's Pretty Little Thing coupon code, whatever it is. So I did the same thing when I ordered these, and of course I found a coupon code online and I tried to use it and it would not work. And so I had called Essence and I'm like, my coupon code's not working. And she's like, oh, I'm sorry, ma'am, that's because we don't have any coupon codes. Girl, what? I found one online. She was like, no, like you can't use those online. She was like, but what I will do for you, in the meantime, she was like, I'll give you a one-time 10% off coupon. She was like, but you have to get approved for it. She was like, so I'm gonna email my manager and see if we can give it to you. And I'm like, okay. And then when me and her hung up, they literally emailed me like 5 minutes later after our call, and they said I was approved for 10% off. So instead of it being $730, I think it took it down to like $680 something. I don't know, but I got a little bit of a discount off of these. And like, I knew I was gonna spend that much getting these shoes. Like I said, I had been wanting to get some Rick Owens ever since my birthday, which was like in January, but I could never find any. Like they were always out of stock online, or if I did find some, that was never my size. So I signed up for List, which I believe is just like an app or a website that will like look for designer items and stuff for you. And so I had it looking for Rick Owens for me. So from January all the way to now, which is September, I will always get emails like, oh, new Rick Owens in stock, and it was never my size. So when I got the email this time, I looked and I followed the link and they still wasn't my size. But something was like, go ahead and check Essence. Like check Essence. And I checked on Essence and baby, they was in stock, boo. So I'm super excited. These are the black and milk ones. On camera, they're really showing white. It's really not giving white. I think it's just my ring light making it look like that. Let me turn the light down and maybe y'all could like see that these are really like cream color. I think they call it milk. Like the laces are milk. My nails are white, so you can see the difference. Like these is definitely like a cream color. Material on here is like kind of like a canvas material, and I was expecting like a cloth. So I'm actually super excited they are canvas because I can get these wet. It seems like not soaking wet, but if I wear them and it's like a little snow outside, I don't have to worry about like the cloth getting messed up. It feels like it's gonna be easy to wipe off. So yeah, so anyway, I'm so freaking excited. If you're thinking about getting you some Rick Owens, I say go ahead and get you some because they're so super stylish. Like I got so many outfits in my head that I want to wear with these shoes. Like I've been looking up outfits. I might put some up on the screen just so y'all can see what I'm expecting to do with these. But I'm so excited. Like I feel like I can be chill in these. I can dress them up, dress them down, and they're so freaking stylish. And like everybody know what Rickies are. So when you got these shoes on, they're gonna know like, damn, she got on Rickies. Quit playing with me. Got me a pair of Rickies. Don't play. So we are gonna go ahead and put these shoes on. I'm a little nervous because of a lot of the videos I seen, they said they had to unlace them because they're pretty tight. But I don't know because my feet skinny. So give me a second. I'm gonna put these shoes on and I'm gonna show y'all what they look like on. So I'm actually trying to get these on my foot and I'm kind of having a hard time. So as y'all can see with these laces, they literally, you know how most laces you do one, then you do one, then you do one, then you do one. It looks like the way they did these Rick Owens is they kept one lace out, as y'all can see. Like this one, you can see it underneath. You can kind of see it running up. They didn't put these through the holes. It's only one string that is put through the holes. So when you're loosening them up, it's kind of hard to do. But here's the sneaker. Here's the tongue of it. Inside of it, it has that, which I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, but it has that in the inside, and then it says like dark shadow down there. They're so freaking cute, and I love how thick this tongue is. Like, you don't have to worry about it like folding down or anything. It's just very, very durable, and the shoe does fit. It looks like it's gonna fit narrow. Like, it looks really narrow in the inside. So if you do have bigger feet, then you might wanna like size up. So let me see if I can. Ooh, got the shoes on my feet, and I just want to show y'all how they look. They're so freaking cute. Here they go. Right now I just have on these black leggings and like this t-shirt that y'all already seen, and I feel like they look so cute with that. I'm gonna show y'all the bottom of them. They just have like these ridges. They fit so good. Definitely feel like I could go out and like wear these sneakers all night. They look so freaking cute and so freaking stylish. Like, I can't wait to get some really cute pictures and everything in these shoes, y'all. Like, look at that. See if I can show y'all like from up here how they look. Okay, y'all, so that's gonna wrap up my review of the Rick Owens. Like I said, I'm so freaking super duper excited that I bought these shoes. Like I said, I've been wanting them for a long time. Finally got my hands on a pair of them. So if you are thinking about getting you a pair of Rick Owens, I say just go for it. Do it. They look good, they feel good, and they're so super stylish. I definitely feel like they're worth the money, because this is never gonna go out of style. Like, I feel like these Rick Owens are never gonna go out of style. I can see me wearing them now, which is the fall. I can see me wearing them in the winter, in the summer, like all the time. I'm gonna be wearing these. Like, you get a boot and a sneaker all in one, and I cannot literally stop looking at them on my feet. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment down below. Also too, make sure that you do go over and follow me on Instagram so you can see my outfits when I come out and pop out at my Rickies, baby. And yeah, until next time, y'all, stay pretty.